How does that little planet like turn into that? Yeah.
Don't work me again, Katie.
Don't put your head there again, Sana. You just hit the dog. This poor dog has gone through so much.
That looks so cool in video.
Ooh. Yep, that's my favorite.
Whomping Willow.
I heard 20. I heard 20.
I heard nothing.
Pretty. How does one go about getting an explosive license?
They have to get a license. It's really expensive, so they just have to go in and say they want a license and pay for it. They don't have to do any schooling or anything.
For an explosive license?
Yeah.
Well, that's bullcrap.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, that's not smart. But my dad said that it's really expensive, so nobody does it.
Yeah.
Until the finale?
2 left.
Game time.
No, they'll go up because they're up high. So when you see the flares go up that way, Katie, you'll know. Over there, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that one. So now they're moving up there?
Yeah. Yeah, you can see that somebody's up there. That's where the finale is.
Maybe true.
Oh, he had only 2. Josh only had 2 left. All the others didn't.
Got it. They gotta move up to where the finale.
And they're gonna light off the Statue of Liberty. What?
Hate the little popper.
Why?
They hurt my ears. Uh-oh. Oh. Pretty.
I was gonna walk out with Natalie. I feel bad that I didn't.
You're gonna walk out, I think?
Like,
oh,
to the car.
mosquito by your hand.
I don't care.
He's got what? Oh, I heard I got gas. I got gas.
Thanks for warning us. Don't set it.
We can see it. We can see the smoke coming out. Little Dipper. I never can find the Big Dipper.
Me either.
I'm like, does it even exist anymore? They're moving up.
We like to party. Can't decide if I like it or not. Yeah. Like parts of it are good. Yeah.
Oh, those little things that were going up was from the Statue of Liberty. Did you know that?